Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common printing problem that many of us might have encountered at some point. We're tackling the issue of getting your HP LaserJet 1010 to work both via USB and on a network setup. So, let's get started and unravel this printer puzzle. Now, the key to solving this problem lies in understanding the nature of the HP LaserJet 1010. This particular printer falls into the category of Win printers, which means it heavily relies on the software engine within the Windows driver to function properly. When connected via USB, the printer requires the HP drivers installed on the Windows computer to communicate effectively. This makes it incompatible with non-Windows devices like routers when it comes to network printing. Solution: the workaround here is to ensure that the HP LaserJet 1010 is connected directly to a Windows computer through USB to utilize the specialized driver. Once connected, you can share the printer as a standard Windows shared printer to enable printing from other devices on the network. However, attempting to connect it to a non-Windows device, such as a router, won't yield the desired results due to driver limitations. To wrap things up, the key takeaway here is to always consider the compatibility and requirements of your printer when setting up different printing configurations. Understanding the unique characteristics of your printer, like the HP LaserJet 1010 being a Win printer, can save you a lot of time and frustration in troubleshooting printing issues. So remember to keep these insights in mind next time you encounter a printing hiccup. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any printing woes you've faced. Let's keep the conversation going.